Hey everybody, so today we are at the Dixie Country Store. So you may be wondering where the Dixie Country Store is. Well, it's kind of in the middle of nowhere. It's right off Highway 371 in the what they call the Houston community. It is very close to the Natchez Trace. It's actually right around the 282 mile marker, the Baldwyn exit, and it's about 2 miles from there. I think it's about 21 miles northeast of Tupelo if you're following the trace. So it's very secluded. That's why it's called a country store, because it is. But we've actually been here once before because McAllister actually practiced baseball across the street for a team years ago, and they've got some unique things in here that you can't find in some other places. So we're going to go in here and see what we can get into.
So this is a hidden room. We didn't even know it existed. So let's see what's in here. So she said there wasn't anything for sale in here, but it's just a bunch of like old-timey memorabilia. So this is pretty cool. When we came here before, we didn't even know this was here. So I don't know if I want this. Strawberry kiwi. I think I'm gonna try it. Strawberry kiwi. And you said you wanted a...
That's right. 10, 2, and 4.
I think I made a really good choice with this. It's very light. It's not too sugary or too fruity. It's just really good and refreshing, and who doesn't love bluebell ice cream? So yes, win for me. Wade got some fudgy stuff and him a soda, so he'll be eating that in a second. This store is so cute, and she was giving us all of the history behind it. Before this highway actually became like the highway it is, this store was actually a lot closer, and they had to move it when they paved it. So they actually had to move it all the way back. And then this front area right here used to be the porch, and you can tell in the indentation on the inside where they actually like covered it in and made it the actual store part. But it was really cool. All the history, the pictures, they're very, very personable when you walk in. She was giving us all the information, and we just felt like we were at home at this cute little general store. And I feel like it'd be the perfect place when you're driving down the Trace and there's nothing to get and you don't want to stop in Tupelo because you've done that before. Stop here right before you get there, or right after you pass Tupelo. My ice cream is melting. It's a great place to get ice cream, soda, snacks, and I don't know, take a trip down memory lane and find out some cool facts about this place. So with that, we really enjoyed our Saturday hanging out at the general store, and I gotta eat this ice cream because it's got some